Today I am going to show you how to unshrink a shirt that you may have accidentally shrunken in your washer or dryer. I don't know if you guys remember this shirt. I wore it in a few videos. I got a few compliments. You guys asked where I got it from. I only wore it twice and it was actually one of my favoriteest shirts that I had gotten in a long time. But somehow I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing with my washer and my dryer and I shrunk it. So the shirt actually used to be longer on me, but after shrinking it, it decided to become a mid-belly shirt. So today I'm going to show you how to unshrink it. I learned this trick back in Texas and I have never forgotten it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is either have a bucket or use your shower, your tub, or your sink like I'm going to do now. And fill up your sink with some warm water. It doesn't have to be hot. Don't make it cold, but just kind of make it in between, if you know what I'm saying. Lukewarm, I guess you would call it. So I'm going to fill up this sink with water. That's the first step. Next step is going to be add some hair conditioner to the water. It doesn't have to be this one. It can actually be any one, but I'm going to use this one today because I feel like it. Just going to squirt some hair conditioner up in that water. I'm going to mix it around the best I can, even though it looks a little lumpy, but that's okay, as long as it's in there. Now what you want to do is take the item that you want to unshrink and completely submerge it into the water. Make sure it is just completely covered in the water and the conditioner. And then basically the next thing you're gonna do is let it sit in here for 30 minutes or a little longer. If you forget about it, that's fine. But at least let it stay in this water and conditioner mixture for 30 minutes. So now that it has been 30 minutes, what we're gonna do is drain our water. We're gonna wring out the shirt. So I've squeezed out as much soap as I can, and I'm not sure if you can already tell, it's already looking normal. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stretch this cloth, stretch out this fabric. I've stretched it a little bit and it's already looking good, so I'm going to rinse this conditioner out. Make sure and get all of that conditioner out. Squeeze out as much water as you can. Then we're going to take a towel and lay it on a flat surface. And now I'm going to lay the shirt out flat. And I'm going to get out some of that extra water. And then again, I'm going to stretch the shirt out with my hands. Also, next time I'm going to remind myself not to make the same mistake again. On your washer, there is usually a delicates option. So turn it on delicates if you are washing delicates, or there's even the hand wash option, anything but regular. Same on your dryer as well. No heat, which is also good. And then here is delicates, which is low heat. This will help to not shrink your clothes. So check out your washer and dryer and see if you have those options and use them when you need them. So here is the finished shirt. As you can see, it's longer in the front. Whenever it got shrunk, the front actually shrunk up like really short in the front, and I'm not the type to like show that kind of stuff. So as you can see here, it's back to normal and it's perfect now. It's exactly the way I bought it, exactly how I want it to look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I taught you something today. Just remember, a little lukewarm water, some hair conditioner, let it soak for 30 minutes, stretch out the cloth, rinse out the conditioner, do a little more stretching, and either lay it flat to dry, or like I did, I wanted to speed up the drying process, so I actually threw it in the dryer and did the air fluff, and then I did a little bit of the low heat for the delicates. And it turned out perfect. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye! And one more thing before I go, I have another video similar to this one that I think you guys would love. It's an oldie, but a goodie. I'll post the link down below, or maybe I can somehow put it up in this frame here. And basically in this video, I show you how to stretch out your pants. Maybe you've dried them and they shrunk, or maybe you put on a few pounds and you want to wear those same pants again. I have some excellent tips to show you how to stretch out your pants and wear them again.